Hey friends, we're going to do an AET journal. Today we're going to do time in competition activities. So you're going to make sure that you are in your journal tab. You're going to go here to time in competition activities. This is for anything that you've done as far as a CDE or an LDE or any other type of contest that you have done. And you're going to make sure to journal it. So the date is the date in which you did the activity. If you're not doing it on the day that you did the activity, make sure you go back and you do the correct date. Category should stay at FFA competition activity, but if you happen to have clicked the wrong journal entry, you can always go in here and switch it if you were actually supposed to be putting in something else. For the activity, you're going to name it whatever it was. So we're going to say that this was a District 11 LDE Invitational. Okay. You're going to choose the type. So we're going to say that Ted was involved in some sort of speaking contest. We're going to go, he's a freshman and he did junior creed speaking. Okay. And we already said this was a district. So we're going to do that. You're going to add explore skill areas. It's going to automatically take you to career readiness practices. But if you were competing in, say, the Ag Mechanic and Technical Systems, the Ag Mech Tech contest, you could go into power structures. Or if you were doing the nursery landscape contest, you could go to plant systems. So make sure that you kind of, in this one, look around and find which systems actually have the skills that you have learned. Okay. So we're going to do communicates clearly and effectively, uses speaking strategies, and yeah, that'll be a good one. We'll start there. Save and back to journal entry. We here at WESI require that you do 3 full sentences for all of your journaling activities. Your chapter may do something else. So make sure that you check with your advisor to see what your requirements are. This asks for a description and award. So if you were to win, you'd want to make sure you put that. Or if you're not to win, but you still competed, you should still put what place you did, because even just competing is a pretty cool thing to note. And again, you're going to want to make sure that you do full, complete sentences. It'll help you when you go to fill out scholarships or awards applications, that all of your stuff's already in full, complete sentences with correct grammar and punctuation and spelling, so you don't have to go back and fix it. Okay. Again, always make sure you use that spell check. Change what you need to. You can always ignore things, like it's trying to get me to change second to something else. I don't want to do that. Okay. Close out. And then you're going to say how long. So for this, I would put how long you were at the activity, not just how long it took you to complete the actual Creed contest. But if you went to district speaking and you were there from 4 to 6, but you only competed from 4:30 to 4:40, you want to put that you were there for the full 2 hours, because you were at the event for 2 hours. Okay, and that's it. You hit save and you're done. It's easy as that.